Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. My name is Abba. In today's video we are making our very own homemade spice blend. So come along and let's get right into the video. I will be using some aniseed, coriander seeds or cilantro seeds as they are also known, some fenugreek, fennel seeds, calabashnutmeg or African nutmeg, also known as widiaba or aroma, black peppercorns, and finally some cloves. In a dry frying pan, we are going to toast our seeds for a couple of minutes. This will intensify the flavor and also allow all the seeds to release their oils. As always, I will leave a list down below with all the ingredients and their measurements, so please feel free to check them out. On a very low heat, we are going to toast our seeds for about 5 minutes or until you begin to smell all the aromas of the spices and they begin to pop. Transfer onto a plate or anything that has a white surface, spread it out and allow it to cool completely. If you leave it in the frying pan, it will continue to toast because it's warm and maybe burn. If you have a powerful blender, you can go ahead and pour this into your blender and blend until smooth, but I prefer to use my spice and nuts grinder. The only downside is that with a spice grinder, you have to do this in multiple batches because everything will not fit into it. So that's my first batch done. I'm going to pour this into a bowl, set it aside and continue grinding until I am done grinding everything. I use this spice blend for my soups, for my stews, to marinate fish and a whole lot of other things. So I want it as smooth as possible, and that's the reason why I'm going to strain it and then re-grind the coarse bits that I am left with. So after straining everything, your spice blend should look very smooth, just like this. Our spice blend is now ready to be used in any recipe of your choice. Store this in an airtight container in your cupboard and it will last up to about 6 months or more. I really do hope you give this spice blend a try. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!